final number this evening, our final hula. And we would like to recognize the rest of our Hawaii delegation who are sitting out there. Aloha to our Alakai, our leader, our Po'o, Mapuana de Silva, and Kihei de Silva, and the rest of our Hawaii delegation. And especially we would like to send this next mele out as a special dedication to our wonderful host here, America Samoa. They've been gracious, they've been wonderful. Fa'apetai lava, ya'oko. And especially to those who've been taking care of our Hawaii delegation. We've become quite close, and a friendship is already starting to bud in just these first few days. So mahalo to all of you, to Ameko and Lina and Bona and the rest of your crew and team. We dedicate this song. The song is entitled Ku'uhoa, which means my friend, my companion. So to all our friends and the many new friends that we will meet over the days and week to come, here at this 10th Festival of the Arts of the Pacific. Aloha nui from Hawaii to all of you.
Kapai opua, o kapa, o nane, akamahina la, huale no kapai opua. Haina mai kapuana, from all of you, aloha, aloha nui. Ha'i.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a huge round of applause for our brothers and sisters all the way from the 50th state, Hawaii, Hanaho. Thank you so very much. That's the presentation of culture, tradition, and our brothers and sisters from the islands of Hawaii. Just a couple